The first thing I'm going to do is just grab to this floral foam heart from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue in the middle, and then I'm going to attach them both together like that. Just attach it into place. Then once I'm done attaching it into place, I'm just going to go ahead and grab these circles. I don't know if you guys seen it. It comes in 3, but I'm not going to use all of them. I'm just going to go ahead and use only one. I'm going to go ahead and put it through it like that just to make a line so I know where to put it. And then I'm going to take a knife and cut it all the way through it, not all the way, just halfway, so I could be able to put it inside. Then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and place the ring inside, and then go ahead and grab your hot glue, and you're going to place hot glue all around it like that, just all the way in the whole line. You're going to put it. Then once you do that, you're going to go ahead to be able to attach it. This is the trick so it can hold in place. You're going to take another from the floral foam and attach it and place it inside. You're going to press it down. After you put the hot glue, you're going to put a few more pieces. This is what's going to hold the ring in place, that it will not going to fall apart. Just remember, this is an important step that you guys got to do. Then I took this plate or plastic plate, whatever plate you have, small one, and then you're going to go ahead and attach it to the top, just like that. Hold it in place. Then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and take some branches. I took some green leaf branches, and I'm going to go ahead and place it in the side. You're going to go ahead and do it on each side. I mean, this is if you want to do it, you don't have to place the leaf. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the flower and place it all the way around. Just make sure to put a little bit of hot glue to attach it into place, and then just continue placing your flowers all around it like that. Then just go ahead and take a few white little leaf or whatever you have, little branches, and just put all the way around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's something so simple you guys can do at home, and at the same time it's so inexpensive to do. I hope you guys like this DIY. Let me show you now also how it looks when you turn on the candle. This is how it looks. And for this one, I'm just going to tell you, you could use a flameless candle because of the flower on top and the ring. I just did this one just for you guys to see how it would look with the candle. Now to start the next DIY videos, the next DIY I'm going to show you now. So now I took another ring from the 3 that came, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle just like that. I'm just going to go try and do the same thing that I did with the other one, just to make the line so I know where to cut them. So then once I go ahead and do the line, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing I did, just cut it with a knife like that, a little bit through it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the ring and place it inside the same way I did the other one. Just go ahead and push it down just like that. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach it to the top. And then you're just going to go ahead and grab the hot glue and put the hot glue at the bottom as well, like we did the other one. Then I grab another ring, and I'm going to place it on the around it like that. Just go ahead and attach it with hot glue. I took this clear plate, and I'm going to go ahead and place it inside. I'm going to go ahead and take some flowers and place it all around the ring at the bottom part. And then you can see that I use a white little container. I like it in white instead of the clear. Just go ahead and spray paint it. You can leave it in clear if you want. I took some floral foam and attach it to the top, and I'm going to go ahead and attach my flower to the floral foam that I did. Just put some greenery around it just like that. And then I took my candle, and I'm going to place it inside. And this is how it turns out, you guys. Super cute. I love how it turns out. I think it's so simple to do, so inexpensive, and it came out beautiful, and I think it will look great on your party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget that this one is the same thing. Make sure to use flameless candle if you're going to use the ring and the flower on top, just to prevent any burning. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let me know down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? This one or the other one? Just let me know number 1 or number 2 so I can know. Thanks again, guys, for the support and always sharing the page, liking the page. I have so many ideas for you guys, and this is one. I'm also going to I'm coming up with another idea for the subscriptions only as well. Thanks again.